Well, friends, today I am going to discuss with you noun clauses. But before we come to the noun clauses, let me tell you something about noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or action. In short, we can say that name of anything, animate or inanimate, tangible or intangible. Name of anything is noun. Even name of feelings such as love, hatred, envy, etc. All these are nouns. We have to remind all these things. Perhaps you know about nine a lot. But before we come to noun clause, we need to know how a noun is used in a sentence. A noun can be used in four ways. For example, noun can be used as the subject. Mohan bought a new car. Bought is the verb and Mohan is the subject of the verb, and Mohan is a noun. So here noun is being used as the subject of the verb bought. Similarly, noun can be used as the object of a verb. In this sentence, a new car is the object. So car again is the noun. So in this sentence, we see that a noun is being used as the subject and another noun is being used as the object of the verb bought. So you have learned two things, that a noun can be used as the subject of a verb and a noun can also be used as the object of a verb. Noun can also be used as an object of a preposition. For example, your success depends on your labor. On is the preposition and labor is noun. So we see noun can also be used as an object of a preposition. So you have learned three uses, and the fourth one is it can be used as a case in apposition. Case in apposition. Please note that this word is apposition, not opposition. This word is beginning with A, not O. So it is not opposition, it is apposition. When we use a noun to tell something about a second noun, it is said to be in case in apposition. For example, Ravan, the king of Lanka, was killed by Ram. You see, Ravan and the king of Lanka. Both are referring to a same person. If we say king of Lanka, it means Ravan. If we say Ravan, it means the king of Lanka. So both these nouns are referring to a same person. So at times two nouns refer to the same person and they are put in proximity. So this part of the sentence is said to be case in apposition. So now we have learned that a noun can be used in 4 places in a sentence. Now we come to the point, what is a clause? In fact, clause is a sentence which has a subject, a verb, and at times an object or other things also. But a sentence should necessarily have a subject and a verb. So a clause is a sentence. Noun clause means a sentence which can be used in place of a noun. Now you mark the point. Noun clause is a sentence which can be used in place of a noun. There are other clauses also, adverb clause, adjective clause. These 3 clauses are called subordinate clause or dependent clause. Why we call them dependent clause? Because they depend on a principal clause to make their meanings clear. If we use a noun clause independently, it has no meaning. It has to be linked with a principal clause. That is why it is called a dependent clause. It is not independent because it has no meaning independently until or unless we link it with the principal clause. Its meaning is unclear. I think it's okay. As I have told you that a noun can be used as a subject, as an object, or as an object of a preposition, or as case in apposition. Similarly, a noun clause can also be used in these 4 ways. Now let me take some examples to clarify it. And I think by going through the examples, you will be able to understand what noun clause is all about. Now I use a sentence as the subject of a verb. What you have said is unbelievable. Now look at this sentence. You have said. This is the subject and verb. So this is a sentence. What you have said is unbelievable. So if I say your statement is unbelievable, statement is a noun. So this whole sentence is replacing noun. That is why this sentence is called noun clause, and it is being used here as the subject of the verb is. What you have said is unbelievable. Now, we take another example in which I will use a noun clause as an object to a verb. They could not understand what the speaker said. Now see, they could not understand. This is the verb. क्या नहीं समझ सके? What the speaker, what the speaker said. Again, this sentence is working as noun. The whole sentence is working as noun, is replacing a noun. That is why this is a noun clause. One thing I must tell you, that whenever you see what or how or where or when, you cannot infer that whenever we see these words being used in a sentence, and we can very easily infer that this is a noun clause. No, not at all. You have to be very careful. These conjunctions can be used in other clauses also. So that is not the way to understand this clause. The only way or the best way to understand this clause is to see if the clause is being used in place of a noun, or if this clause can be replaced by a noun. This is the best way to understand this clause. Now we take third example as the object of a preposition. His success depends on how well he uses his time. His success depends on, and this sentence is the object of the preposition on. So this is a noun clause. Is it clear? Number 4. As case in apposition. The news that the lockdown will be extended came true. Now see, the news, the lockdown will be extended. The news and the lockdown will be extended. Both these refer to a same thing. That is why this is a noun clause. The lockdown will be extended. This is a complete sentence. Lockdown is subject and this is the verb. So, to sum up, because this is my first video on clauses, in my next videos I will tell you something more about clauses. I have told you about the noun clause only. And remember, wherever we can use a noun or a noun group, only in those places we can use a noun clause. Now, you may take your book or a newspaper, then try to find out some noun clauses. You read the newspaper or read your books. You may take your course books also and read carefully and then try to recognize noun clauses. If you try there, and if you have any queries, any questions or any suggestions, then you can write in the comment box. If you want some changes in the approach, or if you want anything which I can do for you, you can write in the comment box. I hope it's enough for today. Like my video, share my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.